Aw, so cute. What? I'm not cute. I'm a real ghost. It's my job to scare you. Where did you buy this costume? Is it silk? It's not silk. It's like a transparent ghostly cloth. Why am I explaining you to this? I love your hairdo. I did not wash my hair for 200 years. That's the spirit. Keep it up. I love it. Wait, is this a horrible day Halloween? I should have known. I shouldn't have come out here. I'm out of here. Wait, I love your disappearing trick. Which app do I download to do that? Oh well, more candies for me.